just the hindsight that you can bring. You've been through quite a few economic cycles, as have I, and
All
just bringing
three cycle investor. That's what they call us. Yeah.
it's, oh my, so three, you heard it here, three cycle investor.
Three cycle investor.
Walk us through, share with for my listeners some of the highlights of your career that led you to become one, a founder, and then a managing partner at a VC fund.
Yeah. Well, one of the things, I mean, some people say it different ways, but one of the sort of advantages of having been a founder and investor for a long time is that I got a lot of arrows in my back and I've learned a lot of things. And I actually find it interesting because people on Twitter or people in their bios, a lot of times they just talk about all the positive things. But what, frankly, I think sets many people up for future success is what they learned from the negative things that happened in their lives. Because hopefully those were learning experiences. And, that one of where I took my company public and then made and lost a bunch of money, that's been a really formative experience for me about how to invest, going forward and understanding where you are in the cycle. And the learning for me on that was, what I say about bubbles, first of all, it's better to be in them than out of them, but it's also, you need to be aware of, are you in a bubble? Loud Eye Technologies, which I started in 97 and we took public in 2000. We were, it turns out, the absolute last company to go public in the dot-com boom. Here's a company with $10 million in revenue that got a $2 billion market cap for a $10 million revenue company. I knew as a CEO that we were in a bubble. I knew the bubble was likely bursting. I was trying to get that fucking company public before the bubble burst. And it turns out we went public March 17th. The peak of the NASDAQ was March 21st. We were literally the last company to go public in the dot-com boom.
Wow.
So